Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable data roaming on Redmi 14C. To enable or disable data roaming, go to Settings, then go to Mobile Networks, and then choose Data Roaming. And now you can set it to international roaming can be set to always, for exceptions only, or never. When it's set to for exceptions only, you can set these exceptions, so for which apps roaming will be allowed. I'm gonna set it to always, and here you can also adjust some settings, for example daily data limit while roaming. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.